how can we make this story unique? So it's not just another zoo story or reality television. Yesterday was pretty unreal. Tonight was the big premiere of the documentary, Take Me to Mars.
3, 2, 1. Take me to Mars!
It was a project that had been in the works for almost 2 years when the COO from the wildlife park said, "Peter, I think we're ready," and put my mind on it and started thinking about it. And that's where I thought about the format with user-generated content to tell the story of the founders, the visionaries, the keepers, the animals, the experiences. Make sure that this wasn't corporate, rather legit and authentic. The leadership team was hands-off from the beginning and never told me to make an edit or a change whatsoever. Walking into the theater was special because my wife and son and I were some of the first ones there. And about 30 minutes later, the red carpet was right inside of the theater. You could see all the posters of the stars and the staff and the team. You saw a limo pull up with the founders, their family, their kids, and walk out. They realized how important this was. We were in front of the Regal Theater, the IMAX Theater, walking in for the big night to finally tell their story on the big screen. And then came the party bus. The bus came from Tanganyika. They poured out having a blast, dressed to the nines. It was emotional, lots of laughter. They had a short panel afterwards to talk about how we captured the story. My favorite part is hearing the feedback from the family members of the staff, some of the donors, some of the people in the foundation, some of the media that was there. Really, really exceptional. Special thank you to the film team who made this possible, their attention to detail, Eduardo and Felipe, and the sound, Sergio, and our directors, Eduardo and Valentina, and the team who helped us edit and made this come to life. The in-person event is better than the design, better than the filming, because you get to see the reaction of the impact that you're able to make.